What's going on, guys? My name is William Dauria, professional real estate investor, and I just found another property on Zillow.com today, and I want to show you how I quickly analyze the deal, how I determine it's a good deal, not just a good deal, but a great deal. Why, and most importantly, there's value add here that some investors may not even look at all, and it is a very, very important thing not to overlook, and we're going to go over an example. Let's dive into it.
Welcome to the Smack Fest, the beat down. The SWAT team is here on another beautiful day of shutting the week down.
And for just meeting, my name is William Dauria, U.S. combat veteran, entrepreneur turned real estate investor, and financially free at age 32 years old through passive income investing into rental properties. This channel is all about that, so if you like that kind of content, be sure to subscribe. So here we go. This right here is the house that I just found online. Now, you do notice that there is a two-car garage. We're going to get to that in a second. Now, if you scroll down and look at some of the pictures, you're going to see that you're going to have the kitchen, you're going to have some of the bedrooms, and overall, it's not in terrible shape. Definitely needs some updating, but is not in terrible shape. The backyard is a decent size, and we'll go from there. So this is actually a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,400 square foot, listed for $165,000. in Rowlett, Texas. Now, the important thing to realize here in North Texas, that in Rowlett specifically, and there's a bunch of other ones scattered around it, it's a high rent zip code. But at 1,400 square feet with a 2-car garage, I know with a 3-bedroom house that it's probably not a 2-bedroom house because it's already 1,400 square feet. It's probably actually a 3-bedroom. You might be saying, where are you going with this? This is where I'm going with it, is the garage conversion into a 4th bedroom is the value add. Matter of fact, I just did the comps, and this house right now, as it sits, when it's updated, will be worth about $210,000. With a garage conversion is in the 240s possibly. So what does that mean as an investor? This is what this means. When going through the Section 8 program, which I haven't started yet, but I did get their pay charts and schedules here available according to that zip code. Check this out, guys. At $160,000 sale price for a 3-bedroom, it currently rents in the zip code through the Section 8 program for $2,620 per month. You might be saying, holy cow, that's the 1% rule per month plus $1,000. That's actually the type of houses that I look for. But I go further because I want to be able to add value, do a cash out refi, and get 100% of my money back while cash flowing fantastic at the same time. But here we go. Check this out. If you go from a 3-bedroom to a 4-bedroom, you ready for this? It goes from $2,620 per month through the Section 8 program to $3,470 for adding 1 bedroom. Now, I want to point out that the Section 8 program isn't called the Section 8 program anymore. It's called something like the Housing Voucher Program, just to let you know. But nevertheless, that's what most people know it as, and that's kind of what I refer to, so people are on the up and up and they kind of understand what I'm talking about. So what this means is I'm about to go look at this property here in 2.5 hours. And when I go look at this property, I'm going to determine, one, is the garage converted? If it's not, that is my value add ticket to this property. And what it ultimately needs for repairs, because the numbers are going to basically come down to this. So say I need to put $20,000 in repairs. I'm assuming. I know it probably needs all floors, but the great thing is it's only a 1,400 with a garage conversion, 1,700 square foot house. Like $1,700, by the way, times 5 for the floor install is $8,500 to make this entire house look gorgeous when you walk in. Now you're gonna throw some paint up on the walls, and you see what I'm saying? We're only like $11,000 right now. So $20,000 budget should get this little house taken care of. Now with the garage conversion, you're gonna have to add AC, probably a mini split, not a window unit. Window unit is not what I typically prefer. I prefer a split unit if I'm going to. Split air AC unit, by the way, is, check it out, it's really cool. Just type in split air AC unit. So you might be wondering, well, how do you know what it would rent for without using the Section 8 program? Check this out, guys. This is really cool. Link below in the description. It's called rentometer.com. Click on that link. You can literally run a handful of properties for free to try it out. Be sure to use my promo code for a great rate on your subscription if you decide to go that route. However, it's literally this easy. You go to rentometer.com, you type in the address, how many bedrooms are currently, how many bathrooms, click analyze, bam. it just lays it out for you. In a nice map, you can bring that map smaller, you can bring it big, you can see inside the neighborhood, you can do anything you want to figure out the comps, wide or small, in your neighborhood or other neighborhoods or across the street or whatever, to really dig down. And you can find comps within 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. You can really dig down. They'll even show you pictures of the property to make sure it's an actual comp, because not every comp is a real comp to your house. Because one of those little cracker box houses, you know, the one I'm talking about, like non-brick, that are like look like they're falling into the earth, is not going to be the same as a nice 3-bed house with brand new windows and stuff like that. Like a nice brick home, like those aren't going to be real comps. You want to actually look for real comps, and this website helps you out. And if you're still with me, guys, I know you have what it takes to be successful in real estate, because you are here learning the ins and the outs, what I'm doing on a daily basis. I have been going out, I have been making offer after offer. I think I'm at 3 or 4 offers this week on properties, and you need to get out there. Don't be scared. I've made offers. I think this week I made an offer that was over $100,000 less than the asking, and I was prepared fully for them to laugh at me, and they didn't. Like, they even got back with me as well after somebody else was accepted, to let me know that I'm still, like, you know, in line somewhere, probably at the end. But you nevertheless, you know, get out there, make the offers, make offers that make sense. Do not buy stuff just to buy stuff. If the market is too hot and it's overpriced, either don't buy just to buy, or offer what it's worth. I prefer the second option, by the way. If it's worth $130,000 to you and you've ran your numbers and those are the numbers that make sense, offer $130,000, guys. Don't just walk on the property. You got to remember, if they bought this house 20 years ago, guys, they might have paid $60,000 for it. They might actually love to get $130,000, but the realtor say, hey, let's shoot for the stars, put 165, let's see what they happen. They go, oh my gosh, okay, great. And then I come in at 130, all cash, no contingencies, which I don't recommend, by the way. That's just an investor little tactic I use to get more offers accepted. So you come in, you make the offer, they might be perfectly fine with it because they were shooting for the stars and they're just gonna take what they get. Anything close to that, they might just run. You'll be surprised. So if you take anything from this video, value add properties are a fantastic way to capitalize on something that other people don't see. I actually found a duplex just, was it 2 days ago, right? It was a 2-2 duplex, right? 2 bedroom, 2 bath on both sides, right? With a 2-car carport on the back that was attached, like the roof line came over it completely, right? And if I were to buy that property, somebody snatched it off before I can make the offer, but if I were to bought that property, I would have literally just turned the carport into another bedroom on both sides. I would have had a 3-3. Now, you need to make sure that you're checking with your city to make sure it's permittable, because not all, they call it garage conversions, not all garage conversions in every city is permittable. So be sure to check for permits and get a permit before you build something so they don't make you tear it down. Guys, thank you so much for watching today. My name is William Dauria. If you haven't already, consider smashing that like button. And you've gotten this far, guys, do me the favor. It helps out the YouTube algorithm and my channel substantially. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one.